Understanding the neuroscience of memory formation and learning involves exploring the intricate processes by which the brain encodes, stores, and retrieves information. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you delve into this fascinating field. Learn the basics of neuroscience. Start by gaining a foundational understanding of neuroscience, the scientific study of the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. Learn about the structure and function of neurons, nerve cells, synaptic connections, neurotransmitters, and neural circuits involved in memory and learning. Study memory systems in the brain. Explore the neural basis of memory by studying the brain regions and circuits involved in memory formation and storage. Learn about key brain structures such as the hippocampus, amygdala, prefrontal cortex, and basal ganglia, which play critical roles in different aspects of memory processing. Understand the types of memory. Learn about different types of memory, including sensory memory, short-term memory, working memory, and long-term memory. Understand the distinctions between explicit, declarative memory, which involves conscious recall of facts and events, and implicit, non-declarative memory, which involves unconscious learning and skill acquisition. Explore cellular and molecular mechanisms. Investigate the cellular and molecular mechanisms underlying memory formation and synaptic plasticity, the ability of synapses to strengthen or weaken over time in response to neuronal activity. Learn about processes such as long-term potentiation, LTP, and long-term depression, limited, which are thought to underlie the synaptic changes associated with learning and memory. Study neural circuits and connectivity. Dive into the organization of neural circuits and connectivity patterns involved in memory processing. Learn about the flow of information through interconnected brain regions and the communication between neurons within neural networks. Understand how distributed neural networks encode and represent memories across multiple brain regions. Explore neurotransmitter systems. Investigate the role of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators in memory formation and learning. Learn about neurotransmitter systems such as acetylcholine, dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine, which modulate synaptic transmission and neural plasticity in memory-related brain regions. Understand memory encoding and consolidation. Explore the processes of memory encoding and consolidation, which involve the initial acquisition and stabilization of memories. Learn about the role of attention, perception, and rehearsal in memory encoding, as well as the consolidation of memories from short-term to long-term storage through synaptic and systems-level mechanisms. Study memory retrieval and recall. Investigate the processes involved in memory retrieval and recall, the ability to access and bring stored memories into conscious awareness. Learn about retrieval cues, context-dependent memory, and the role of hippocampal cortical interactions in memory retrieval processes. Explore learning and skill acquisition. Dive into the neural mechanisms underlying learning and skill acquisition, which involve the acquisition of new knowledge, abilities, and behaviors through experience and practice. Learn about forms of learning such as classical conditioning, operant conditioning, and observational learning, and how they are supported by different brain regions and circuits. Stay informed about memory research. Keep up to date with the latest research, developments, and findings in the field of memory neuroscience. Follow scientific journals, publications, and news outlets that cover memory research, cognitive neuroscience, and brain plasticity. Attend conferences, seminars, and workshops focused on memory-related topics. By following these steps and immersing yourself in the neuroscience of memory formation and learning, you can gain insights into the neural mechanisms underlying one of the most fundamental aspects of human cognition. Your exploration may contribute to our understanding of memory function and dysfunction, with potential implications for fields such as education, psychology, neuroscience, and clinical practice.